Living area space, and as you can see, the kitchen again is divided into two huge spaces. Your master bedroom is extremely spacious compared to your...
Hello everyone and welcome to Howzy. I am Niklas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of
Kalpatru
Pavante by
Kalpatru
Group. The project is located in Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad, but before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. This is your marketing office and your land parcel is right there. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Howzy. So you see, Howzy is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Howzy, it is directly done by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. So stop going here and there and book your dream home with Howzy. The first one is the project overview.
Kalpatru
Pavante is a premium high-rise residential project which is going to be developed on approximately 3 acres of land parcel and single tower, featuring 3 basements plus ground 14 floors, multiple residential towers with high floors offering 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the amenities, like I mentioned, the project provides you with world-class amenities like a clubhouse which is going to be 22,000 square feet. You are going to have your outdoor and indoor gym area. There's going to be swimming pool area. There's also going to be spa area, kids play area and many more. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project which is located at Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. Now, you see the nearby connectivity. If you see, this is your entire locality. This is the main road of Sanat Nagar. The Eragadda metro station is only few minutes from here. Sanat Nagar commercial zone is only 10 minutes away from here. Amirpet being a short drive from here. High-tech city being only 25 minutes away from here.
Hello everyone, now we will be doing the sample flat tour for Kalpatru
Pavante
for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 2,400 square feet. Let's go inside. As you can see, this is going to be your door, and your door also has a little bit of wooden touch to that. You will have your key lock system, which also comes with another lock system right over here. Now, this is going to be your living area space, and as you can see, your living area is extremely spacious. So it starts all the way from that corner up to this corner, and if you notice, the entire flooring that has been done inside the house is also vitrified flooring. You have proper switches given on each corner of your room. You have a window system on this side of your living area, so you can add your couch here. Your TV can come on the other corner as well. And because your living area is designed in such a unique way, you have different corners also spread out. So if you want, you can add your bookshelf there or turn that into your small puja corner. And if you want, you can turn your living area into your dining area as well, which will come right in front of your balcony. Now this side as well, you have your electric switches, and inside the entire home, the lighting has already been done on the ceiling perfectly. Coming to your balcony, if you notice, the balcony has been designed in a very different way. It gives that luxury-like feeling. You have your steps there given to your balcony, and it's divided into 2 different corners. So if you want, you can turn this corner for adding your flower pots or however you like, and that corner, if you want, you can add your tables, chairs. In the entire balcony, you have your railings done properly for your safety reasons, and it gives you direct access to your locality or your community residence area. Now, as we walk back inside, if you notice, right beside your living area, here as well, you have a small corner space given. So if you want, you can add your puja corner this side as well, or add a bookshelf or mirror, an extra wash basin. You have a light switch also given there with proper lighting system added. Now right next to that you have your kitchen. The kitchen again is divided into two huge spaces and again it is extremely spacious. On your other corner of the kitchen you have your window system which comes with your exhaust fan over there. So if you want you can add your kitchen cabinets on this corner, you have your electric points given, you can add your appliances, you have the cylindrical point also given over here. Now, coming into your other half of the kitchen, you can turn this into your utility area. So you can add your washing machine, your laundry system, you have your drainage system given as well. You have all the pipelines connected properly. Right in front of that, you again have another window. So if you want, you can turn the other corner of the utility to dry your clothes, which will have proper ventilation coming inside. You can also add your fan over here because you have a fan switch. Your lights again are also done above your ceiling. Now, moving forward to our first bedroom. This is going to be your first bedroom, which is actually very spacious. So you can turn this into your guest room, or if you want, you can turn this into your kids' room as well. If you notice, there are two separate corners. So one window is the slidable one, so if you want, you can add your study table right in front of here. The other window is the open window. So you can just open it for fresh air and ventilation. So if you want, you can add your bed on this side of the room. You can add your wardrobe on the other side. Here as well you have proper lighting switches given on your ceiling. Now this room of course comes with attached washroom, and if you look, the washroom designing is very unique. You have your tiles designed in the washroom. You have a lot of space for your shower system, so you can divide the section, and on the other corner you have your exhaust fan again with your window system given. You have your light switches, the geyser switch, everything placed properly. Now moving forward to our second bedroom. Before that, if you look, the second bedroom does not have a washroom, so it's a common washroom made on the outside. So your guest can use it or anyone can use the washroom. Here again the designing is done very differently for this washroom, and it is again very large and spacious. You have again your geyser switch and your lighting switch, your shower system on the other corner of your washroom, which is very close to your exhaust fan and your window system as well. So this is going to be your second room. You can turn this into your study area or your office area. Here as well you have small corners added, so your wardrobe or your bed can come on this side. You have your lighting, your fan, your AC switch side is also given. In this room you have a big sliding window, so that can be used for good amount of ventilation. So if you want, you can place a small cozy corner in this room, design it however you like. If you notice, all the doors are given that wooden-like texture, adding more uniqueness to your house. Now, before we come into our master bedroom or your third bedroom as we say, let's quickly get to understand what exactly Housey does for you. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information there about the project, like the location, and as you can see, we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will find the pros and cons of the project. You will find the pricing, EMI, down payment options, and on the website as well, you will get a virtual 360 tour. If you want to come for a free site visit or schedule it, you can just click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com. Now, entering into our master bedroom. So this entire place is your master bedroom. If you can already notice, your third bedroom or your master bedroom is extremely spacious compared to your other rooms, and the special thing about your master bedroom is that you have a separate corner on this side which has an extremely large space over here. So if you want, you can turn this into your walk-in wardrobe closet, design it however you like. Or if you want, you can add a bookshelf or a long mirror to accessorize the area. Now, Coming to the other thing, you have a separate window on this corner of the room, which is again openable, and then you have your balcony on this corner of the room. The balcony here as well is well designed. You have your railing system done, and it gives you direct view access to your outside community. Now if you notice, you have light switches given properly, and you have your lightings again done in the room perfectly. If you notice, because the room is extremely spacious, you can add your bed on any corner of the room, your drawing table, extra couches as well, and the space still will be left. Coming to your washroom, of course you have an attached washroom, and this is again very unique compared to your other washrooms. If you look at the wash basin design, it is again designed in a very long way so that you can add extra washroom accessories. You have your lighting done. Here as well you will have your geyser switch, light switch, and that side of the corner you have your exhaust fan with your window system given. If you notice, the tile pattern also is different for the washroom. You can add your mirror and divide the shower system. The washroom is again very spacious. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour for Kalpatru
Avante.
for 3 BHK. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.